Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Josh with Western Material Handling. Today we're here excited to test drive stock D21281. Very nice operating 2001 Yale GTC050. It's a 5,000 pound cushion tire forklift. Josh is going to give us a quick demonstration. Very nimble, tight turning radius for a 5,000 pound. It's equipped with a 3-stage mast. There's approximately 189 inches of max lift height. He's going to take it on up for us. It's equipped with side shift, has smooth cushion tires, 42-inch pallet forks, new PM service, recent repairs, brand new paint job. There's the side shift function. You can check out this forklift online at abetterforklift.com or stop by either store in Commerce City, Fort Collins, or Torrington, Wyoming. Appreciate your